Alright, so here we have a 2015 Grand Cherokee, Jeep Grand Cherokee that was in a rear-end collision. And the headrests, the active headrests have deployed, so we're going to reset those. To do so, sometimes it's a two-handed operation. Alright, so I'm going to grab the passenger side and just kind of wiggle it back into position. Of course, it's being difficult. There we go. One. My daughter uses the vehicle as her garbage can. Oh, let's see. Same thing on the driver's side. Good to go. So just a matter of just kind of wiggling this piece back into position after the rear end collision. The vehicle did sustain some minor body damage in the tailgate. Got to see a body shop for that one. I don't think that's a Joe's Garage type of video. There's also some codes on the computer too. I see a B2874, a B2873, and a B212D. So I'm going to reset these and see which ones come back. One of them is an ignition run only input circuit open, and an issue with the backup lights. I'm going to clear the codes on YTech. Okay, so the backup lights, oh, maybe they're gone. Let's see. Yeah, they did not come back. Let's put the vehicle in reverse and see what happens. Vehicle's in reverse, my foot's in the brake, and they came back. Vehicle's in park. Let's go check out the backup lights. Alright, so in YTech I went to the body control module, the actuators tab, and then I set the left reverse lamp state. I set that to on. We're going to go look at the vehicle and see what we see. See if it comes on. Okay, that's definitely on. Hi, Valentine. Okay, so let's turn off the reverse lamp. Let's do the right reverse lamp. Okay, okay. Okay, the right reverse lamp is on, or it's gonna be on when I hit play. Right down here. Sorry for the glare on the computer screen. Right reverse lamp should be on. You can see it is. So though the computer says there's a problem with the lamps, they are coming on okay. Turn the lamps off again. Left reverse lamp 2. Oh, maybe it's the... Huh. Wonder what it could be. Left reverse lamp. Is there a second one? Right reverse lamp number 2. I didn't even know there was a right reverse lamp number 2. Let's turn that on and see what happens. I don't see anything. It's possible that was damaged during the collision. So we'll have to look into that one separately to see what's going on. If it was damage in the collision, that might be something the body shop has to look at. There might have been something that was crushed when the vehicle was hit. Let's see if there's any, let's look and see what time it happened. It does look like it happened right around when the vehicle was in the collision. It was mile 44,242. We're at 44,249. We did do a little bit of driving this morning, so that tells me this is probably something that got damaged in the collision, unfortunately. I think we'll let the body shop deal with that one. Alright, anyway, hope this video on how to reset the headrest at least helped you. It's just a mechanical thing. You don't really need this fancy schmancy computer, just a little bit of brute force and they're good to go. Take care, guys.